press the bell icon and never miss a video from the Aesthetic Clinics and Dr. Debraj Show.
Good morning. Today we are talking about facial trauma surgery, care and recovery. We are all driving faster than ever before, but we are not wearing seat belts. And so as a result of which, we are getting more and more accidents. Whenever there is an accident at high speed, the facial bones get broken. In such cases, we need to go ahead and actually open up the face, arrange the bones like a jigsaw puzzle, and actually fix each bone with plates and screws. These plates are made of titanium and they can stay in your body all the time. They are not going to go ahead and have any deleterious effects. And it is possible to actually reconstruct your face such that it almost looks the same as before. The thing to remember is a stitch in time saves 9, and maybe you're better off just plugging your seat belt in and making sure that your car has airbags. This will ensure that the trauma will not cause massive injuries or impact your life or your face in any way. However, if that has not happened and you have gone ahead and damaged your face, do remember, in today's day and age, with maxillofacial surgery, we can actually reconstruct the face almost like before. Thanks for listening.
Hello, I'm Dr. Debraj Show. I'm a facial plastic surgeon. I trained in the United States, Singapore, Europe and India, and now currently I'm practicing in Mumbai, India. Facial plastic surgery is a specialty in which plastic surgeons train only in surgeries of the face. This is a very nascent specialty in India, and there are only 3 or 4 surgeons in the whole of India. Thank you for allowing us to participate in your case.
Thank you for listening. Do not forget to share, comment, like and subscribe to our videos from the Aesthetic Clinics and from Dr. Debraj Show.